Hello, I'm Robert Hardesty, a board-certified plastic surgeon practicing here in Riverside, California. Today's topic is the process of automated follicular extraction and transplantation. That's a mouthful. But simply stated, we're using state-of-the-art technology to produce a permanent and lasting hair restoration. What is the process? Well, the process begins with your consultation, your preoperative appointment, and then seeing you in the preoperative holding area. At this time, we will go over it, the procedure, we'll mark you, we'll look at your old photos. Now we'll take you back. If you're feeling a little nervous or have some anxiety, we'll give you some Valium, some oral Valium. It'll be like having a glass of wine or a beer. We'll make you very comfortable. We'll then put you face down on a massage table that has an opening in it where you can bring a video camera, video iPad, anything you would like to do to watch while we're there. Earbuds. During this time then, I will inject you with local numbing medicine. It's like going to the dentist. Once we get the scalp numbed, then my team will come into action. We'll use the automated follicular extraction machine. This machine is state-of-the-art. Rather than making a long incision from ear to ear and making a cut, taking out the tissue, and then having to chop up the grafts on the back table, this machine has a handle and individually takes out each follicular unit. Well, what is a follicular unit? Well, if you look closely at somebody's scalp, sometimes the follicular unit only has one hair, often two, sometimes three, and rarely four. But we take that out intact, including the bulb, the root, the shaft, and the hair. Oh, one thing, we will be shaving you a bit there, so we can have better access to the sides. So, we get underway. As we start taking out these small follicular units, we then collect them into a collection bottle. This bottle then, when it reaches a certain number, we will take that out. And my team, using loop magnification or stereoscopic microscopes, will look at the hairs for suitability. We will then prepare them for implant insertion, or what we call transplantation. Okay, you may have 1,500, you may have 2,500, you may have 3,000, 3,500. It's usually an all-day process. Once we've collected the hair that we need, the follicular units, we'll then take a break. It's usually about lunchtime. We'll serve you lunch, or you can bring what you would like. We then turn you on your back. The hair has been prepared, and now we take great care in looking at the angulation, the density, and what you would like. Again, with little pinpricks, we precisely make the little pinprick to insert the graft. This graft precisely fits the little pinprick hole we made, and now we painstakingly put in each individual follicular unit, starting usually at the frontal hairline and then moving back. Or if it's just the crown, we'll start back there. Okay, we're done. We then put on a coat of antibiotic ointment, Bactroban, mufepiricin, and then a light head dressing. You're ready to go. If you didn't take a Valium, you could drive yourself. If you took a Valium, you'll need a driver to take you home. The procedure's over. You'll have 24 to 36 hours of minor to moderate swelling. Most people are back to work in anywhere from 48 hours to 3 days. Some have even got back as soon as 1 day. We had a physician we just recently did. We did his procedure on Saturday. He was seeing patients on Sunday, and he had over 3,000 grafts. So, the procedure using the automated system, state-of-the-art, microscopic needle pokes heal faster, do not have a long suture line, do not require sutures, and has a much less chance of complications. So that's basically what to expect. We have greater detail in the instructions we'll be giving you. Thank you very much.